Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone's well and that you had a pleasant weekend. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth REALTORS, right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out we take a look at exactly what's going on in the local real estate market. We do this video every week. Feel it's important for residents, potential buyers, potential sellers in our community to have a trusted local resource to go to follow along with exactly what our local real estate market's doing. Often our statistics get lumped in with greater Los Angeles County, by the way, where the median sales price is somewhere close to $800,000, Southern California, and our market is definitely unique unto itself. Also like to point out that our statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So where are we on March 16th, 2026, halfway through the month of March? Well, happy to report that inventory is starting to creep up on us a little bit. Active listings as of this morning, 877, a 3.1% increase from last week when we were at 851. Pendings down just a tick. Pendings are those properties under contract in escrow. Last week we were at 424. This week we're at 421. Probably a big reason, as we'll talk about here in a few minutes, is because we did have a good week last week with the number of properties that closed escrows. That's one of the reasons that that number's down just a little bit. And so week over week, the week of March 9th through yesterday, the 15th, new listings, as I mentioned, nice bump. 110 new listings came on the market, a 17% increase from the week prior when we were at 94. Nice little bump up of the median list price of those new listings, 5045, up 14.7% from the week prior when they were at 440,000. New into escrow, 67, down, like I said, just a tick from the week prior, which was 69, a 2.9% decrease. And the number of days that, median number of days that those houses were on the market, that 67 property, 39, up 6 days from the week prior. And the number of listings sold, and one reason why I believe our pendings dropped a little bit, 64, that's a 36.2% increase from the week prior when we were at 47. And our median sales price, just like those sold properties, just like the median list price of the new listings, also a nice little jump, 3.7%. And then our absorption rate dropped from 4.4 down to 4.0. Absorption rate is if you were to take the number of properties that those active listings, the 871, by the number of properties that closed over the last 30 days, which was 218. That shows that if basically no other new properties were to come on the market based on this pace, it would take 4 months for those 877 properties to be sold and off the market. As I like to point out once again every month, or excuse me, every week, is that anywhere 3 months and below, definitely a seller's market, 3 to 6 months, a balanced market, and then anything 6 months or over, definitely a buyer's market. So our absorption rate, we're seeing those properties that are on the market move a little bit quicker, and so definitely kind of a decent trend. But what we are seeing a little bit is with some of the geopolitical stuff that's going on that we're all aware of, that there is a little bit of hesitancy in buyers. Interest rates have bumped up a little bit due to everything that's going on, price of oil, etc. And so buyers are a little bit more cautious, but if there's something that comes on the market that's priced right and in good condition, or a price adjustment that brings it into a good value, then we are seeing those houses go under contract and sell. So, but as always, if there's any other information, any other statistics that myself or any of our other trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth Realtors can provide you, by all means, please feel free to reach out. We're always here to help, as we have been since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week, and we will chat with you again next Monday. All righty. Bye-bye.